Meet DJI Neo, your pocket-sized flying sidekick. Hold on to your seats, aerial adventurers. Meet your new pocket-sized best friend, the DJI Neo, the mini drone that's smarter, lighter, and ready to turn your world upside down in just 135 grams. Picture this. You're hiking up your favorite trail. The view is stunning, and boom, the Neo is off, capturing that breathtaking scenery in glorious 4K UHD without you lifting a finger. No controller? No problem. Neo literally jumps from your palm into the sky. With AI-powered tracking, it follows your every move, whether you're jogging, cycling, or channeling your inner superstar. You want drama? Neo's QuickShots feature has you covered with cinematic modes like rocket and circle. Create epic content worthy of the big screen with just a tap. Thanks to its whisper-quiet elegance and integrated propeller guard, even tight indoor spaces are a playground for this mighty mini drone. It's like having your personal paparazzi. Jump on board and transform your adventures. Click the link in the description to let DJI Neo soar into your life today.